Hey, quick question about shooting boards.
Yes.
If you are brand new to them,
Yes.
I noticed that there was basically you did it in two different kind of motions. You did it in one motion where it looked like you covered everything in one hit, and then there was another one that was broken up into 3 stages.
Okay.
Do you mind breaking that down for me?
What do you want to know?
Okay, so if you do the 3-stage one first, so you had the block plane there.
Yep.
You had your piece of timber here.
Yep.
You know, so you one,
Yep.
2, and then you do your
Okay.
push,
Good.
right?
All right. So from this perspective, I don't want to cut my sliding block here, so I just move it slightly away. Okay. What's important here is that the plane never tilts. So and it's just it's bearing up against this edge where there's no saw blade. So that's what keeps it straight here. So it's not going to cut into the shooting board itself.
And we've got a little groove in this shooting board
There's
as
a little bit
well.
of groove in there just for dust and stuff. But as far as the principle goes, this is what we're trying to do. We're not sort of swinging it out off here. We don't want to cut it with the wood facing out here.
Yep.
Because then we're not cutting square. We'll cut square in its vertical plane, but in its sort of in the other plane
We won't be.
we won't be. So this stays straight. So basically what we're doing here is we're going to push. Here's our blade.
Yep.
We're going to push this into the plate and then take the cut.
So when you do it quick,
And
it's
then-
essentially the same thing, but just sped up.
Yeah, so I'm going push, cut, push, cut,
And you're just not
push,
pulling it.
cut,
Yeah, okay, all right.
push, and you can hear that click,
Yeah, you can hear that tiny click afterwards.
and that's just basically the shaving.
And eventually you could just do that and get quicker and quicker.
Yeah,
Nice.
and then you get that nice clean cut.
Perfect.
Like that. So on that, you will get that tiny little bit of fluff on the trailing edge.
Oh, yeah,
onto
I
there.
just see it. I just see it.
So that is the distance, like the amount that you get there is the amount that this is supported on that.
Yeah,
on
so
that block there.
hence why you like to have it trying to be as close
Yeah,
to...
correct. So you can hear there that it's touching that block. So I just pull that away slightly, and that gets it clear.
Nice.
That's it.
Just a bit more of an explainer about it. Cool.